Good to see you back. By now, you've probably built a good foundation for playing the saxophone. You've learned about tonguing, you've worked on your tone, your posture, you've learned some songs. Now we're ready to start getting into something a little more mature, a little more advanced, dynamics. What are dynamics? Well, dynamics are louds and softs and everything in between. How you create that in music, that's what creates energy. That's what makes things interesting when we listen to. That little opening excerpt, a little improvisation I was doing, was using dynamics. I started off softly, I got very loud, and I went back down to soft, and it made it more interesting. Without the dynamics, it just wouldn't be as exciting. How do we make dynamics? Well, it's all about our airstream. Just like we talked about early in the early lessons, it's about using your airstream, projecting. I always think full tone, whether I'm playing loud or soft. When I'm playing loud, I use more air. I let the air go through stronger, but I'm supporting as much as I can and thinking about projecting the tone. And when I play soft, less air, but I'm still thinking the air going through, because if I don't, the tone won't sound good. So now I'm going to demonstrate for you playing on one note, the note G again. I'm going to start off very soft, and then I'm going to get louder and louder. I'm still going to think about good saxophone technique, good tone. So I'm always supporting the tone with my air as I play, whether I play loud or soft. And that's showing the full range of dynamics. I started out very soft and I got louder. Now let me play something. I want you to hear how music sounds if I play dynamics that are out of character. I'm going to play a lullaby and play it maybe not the way you'd want to hear it. It won't put you to sleep. So that was loud, right? And that was not in characteristic of that piece. Didn't sound too good. So much nicer if I play it. Much more gentle, right? Now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to play a little fanfare, too soft, and see how that sounds. I don't think that's going to grab anybody's attention. Now let me play it the way it should be. So now that's proper dynamics for the piece. And most of the music you guys will be playing in school or with the lessons with us will be using dynamics, and they have certain dynamics that fit the piece. So when you're playing in your band at school, make sure you blend with the dynamics. The more you can use dynamics, louds and softs, play them properly, the better you will sound, the better you will blend in, and it's all part of your saxophone playing and your sound.